In this video we're going to show you how to transfer calls when they come in on your Panasonic system. So first we're going to pick up the phone, and let's say we want to transfer the call to this cordless right here. We're going to press the menu button followed by the int button. Now the int is for intercom. And in the screen you're going to be able to see a list of handsets that you can transfer this call to. In this case we only have the one, but you may have more. Press OK. And what we're doing now is we're making a phone call between the base and the second handset. Now to complete the transfer, we can push the OK button right here in the middle. And now the caller is connected with the cordless. Now to transfer the call back, the procedure is the same from the cordless. You press the menu button while we're on the phone, press the int button, and select the handset that we're going to transfer the call to. Once we're ready to transfer, we just push the OK button. And the caller is online with the desk phone. Now what I'm going to show you here is how to transfer a call outside of the office or even to another extension. If you have extensions at your business, this is the way to do the transfer from one phone to the next. This here is the transfer button, so we'll just push it right now. And we'll be looking to transfer the call to an external number. So in this case, we're just going to dial the number that we want to transfer the call to. So now we're on the line with the person that we want to transfer the call to. And we can complete the transfer by pushing this button right here. And the caller is now connected on the other side. So now we're going to show you how to do a blind transfer. Now it's important to understand the difference between a blind transfer and an attended transfer, which is what we've been doing previously, is that a blind transfer is not going to allow you to speak to the person that you're transferring the call to in advance. You cannot do a blind transfer on the Panasonic system between the handsets unless each handset has its own extension, and in most cases they will not be set up that way. A blind transfer has a few advantages. The caller ID, for example, on the other end will be the original caller. In an attended transfer, the caller ID is between the two people that are transferring the calls between each other. So to do a blind transfer, there's a blind key that is right here. When we're on the phone, we're going to press it right now. Dial the phone number that we want to transfer the call to. And we're all done. One of the neat features about the Panasonic system is that we've got three-way calling features. That can be identified by this button down here. Now, in order to get that going, first we're going to need to get the other person on the phone. Now, if we want to do a three-way call between two handsets and an external caller, right now we're already on the phone with the external caller, so let's get the second person on the phone. So we're going to press Menu, followed by Int, and we're going to press OK to call the second handset. So now we're on a live two-way call between this handset and the cordless. Now, this is a similar procedure as the transfer. If we press OK right now, we're actually just going to connect the external caller to this cordless here, but in this case we want to do a three-way call. Now there's two ways we can do that. We can press this conference button right here, right at the bottom left of the screen, or we can push this conference button right here at the bottom. And now we're on a three-way call between the external caller and both of these handsets. Now, if any one of these two handsets wants to drop off the phone, they simply have to hang up, and the other caller will still be on the phone with the second handset.